What if you could unlock a new level of passion and intensity in your relationship? Welcome to the world of rough sex, a realm where raw, animalistic desire meets mutual respect and consent. But before you dive headfirst into this exciting territory, it's crucial to understand the rules of engagement. First and foremost, communication is key. It's the bedrock of any sexual relationship, particularly when exploring uncharted territories. Open conversations about desires, boundaries, and fears can create a safe space for both partners to express their innermost fantasies. Rough sex is not about force or dominance, but about the emotional, mental, and physical connection between you and your partner. Ignite her physical needs, but also tap into her emotional and mental ones. Unleashing all three dimensions can lead to a volcanic eruption of pleasure that will have her craving for more. Remember, size doesn't matter. Great sex isn't about the magnitude of your manhood, but your attitude towards sex, your knowledge of sexuality, and your skills. Now that you've established communication, it's time to build anticipation. Fire up her imagination with suggestive texts or commands. Let her mind wander into the realm of pleasure and desire even before you enter the bedroom. Dirty talk doesn't have to stop at foreplay. Keep the conversation going. Tell her how much you desire her, how beautiful she is, and how much you love the way she feels. If you think dirty talk is awkward or embarrassing, fret not. There are plenty of resources out there to help you master the art of seductive speech. Finally, timing is everything. Trust and safety are paramount for women when it comes to sex. Make sure she's ready and comfortable before you embark on this journey of exploration. In summary, rough sex is about communication, anticipation, and timing. Remember, it's not about force or dominance, but about connecting on a deeper level with your partner. It's about exploring new territories of passion and desire while maintaining respect and consent. So take your time, communicate openly, and let the journey of rough sex lead you to new heights of pleasure and intimacy.